LPG America 18, we have now excess, about 30% more exports of gas from America to Europe. Therefore, could we take advantage of this LPG crew policy for the long term? Many before tried the Spanish flag and failed. Yes, it's always the fault of someone else's fault. Yeah. Others now are doing the same thing in Peru with the Peruvian flag, and they are deflagging to other flags because it's the flag's fault. And so that's a great opportunity. When others complain about this, they complain about that. Why not have a Latino officer pool for your LPGs in the long term? If America is going to export gas, why not have American crew? This is ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency, investing, social, good governance policies, because the lower transport cost and the closer that the Peru officers now mix with Panama officers, and Venezuela officers also get US visa. Why not have ratings from Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, all the Caribbean countries, and even, who knows, Mexico one day will grow the officers' schools times 10 because the market really needs, and America is going to expand so much. So think about LPG America solution with American crew. We also have some Europeans because most ships will trade to Europe. 50% of gas trade worldwide is around Europe. So think about Candina today if you have a new build or whatever policy around the USA, because we have the solutions for you, dear supporter. Thank you. Bye.